All right, we had a lot of fun at our sprinter outing, and these are some pictures and videos of that crafting event, and we had a great time. All right, we're at our sprinter outing, making some cups and doing some lantern work, and then a little sanding on some handles and gluing up the cups. We're using cedar, oak, and walnut, some jigs, different clamps. You got
There's several different.
right. All right. This is a team from Neosho that came in. They built 7 cups out of the 11, and they were making funny faces and having fun. We worked together, and this is a cheers. They'll probably end up refinishing those with, or finishing them with a clear coat, or using a tin can as a liner, like a soup can. Here's Bill with his 80-year-old oak that came out of one of the barns at the powwow campground. There's some cedar and pine, and just solid cedar. We had a good time at crafting. Enjoyed it. I've got a kick out of the boys buffing them cups so smooth. They were using some 1500 grit, and man, they just came out really nice. So had a good time.